Hey guys, welcome to the Hacked Existence tutorial on swapping the clear case onto the Hackberry Pi Zero. So by the end of this video, I'll show you guys how to swap out the default black case that it ships with the super crystal clear one. Before we go any further, I got to give a huge shout out to the homie DZAZ. He's the guy who turned me on to the Hackberry. He's also the guy who hooked me up with the clear case from PCBWay, and they did an amazing job. I mean, this thing is super transparent, super clear, SLA printed plastic. You just buy the case from them and swap the whole thing out. So if you're not already following DZAZ, make sure you give him a follow on the gram. But otherwise, let's jump into the bill of materials. All right, here's our bill of materials. We've got the Hackberry Pi Zero. You can get this from Zitaotech on Elecro when they're in stock. This is the version with the 9900 keyboard. There's a few different variants of that. To that, we're going to be adding the clear case, and I have the front, the back, the battery left and right, and the Pi cover. These STLs came from Zitaotech's GitHub, and they were uploaded to PCBWay. I'll show you guys how to do that at the end. There's a bunch of other STLs that you can print out as well. Things like changing out the buttons for clear, but I like the red. I think it's going to give it some flair. You can print out things like the display support, but that's going to sandwich between the display and the PCB, so you're not even going to be able to see it. So I'm going to go with these 5 pieces. To that, I'm going to be adding 4 of the M2 by H3 inserts, and I'll burn those in with my dedicated insert burning soldering iron, and I'm going to use a T5 bit to take the screws out and screw them back into the new case. So we'll begin by burning the M2 inserts into the top of the case. All right, now with the 4 inserts placed in the holes on the top case, I'm going to use my heated up soldering iron to burn them into place, and I'm going to just try and get them flush with the top surface. All right, now that our inserts are all burned in and nice and flush with the top layers here, we can set that aside and we can begin disassembling the Hackberry Pi. So I'm going to start by removing the micro SD card. I'll flip it over and take the battery covers off and remove the batteries. And now I'll take out the 4 screws in the 4 corners. And once we do that, the front plate lifts right off. And now I'll push through where the batteries were to pop the whole thing out. And the back plate comes right off. Now we can get our new bottom piece and set it all back in there, making sure this all plugs back together nicely. With it all settled in there nicely, we can add the top plate. And now I'll flip it over and put these screws back in. Now I'll screw them into place. Now we can see everything is nice and flush mounted along the seam. So stick on the Pi cover. We'll reinstall the batteries. Put in the battery covers. We'll reinstall the micro SD card. And we'll fire it up. And here we can see we've got a fully functioning Hackberry Pi Zero in a nice clear case. Okay, now in order to get the case printed, I'm going to start by going to Zitaotech's GitHub repo for the Hackberry Pi Zero, and I'm going to go to this 3D model folder. And now I'm going to download the battery cover left and battery cover right. And I'll get Hackberry lowercase. And I'll get our Pi cover. And finally, I'll get the uppercase 9900 because that's the keyboard I have. You want to get the one that matches your keyboard, obviously. And now that I have all 5 of those files, I'm going to go over to PCBWay.com and I'm going to go to 3D printing and I'm going to pick SLA. And then I'll click on get a quote. And here I'll upload all 5 of those files. I'll scroll all the way down here to add the rest of the files. This is going to line them all up. And now going through each of these 5 files, I'm going to make sure I select resin and the UTR 8100 transparent. And I want the transparent spray varnish in SLA. And I'm not going to do a dyeing. I'll just leave all these as default. For product description, I'll just pick office appliance, computer enclosure. And I'll do the same thing for all 5 of these. Transparent. Office appliance, computer enclosure. And that's it. At this point, you can submit it, and this will ship it off to PCBWay, and you'll get your parts. All right, so at this point, we have swapped out the black case that came with the clear case from PCBWay, and the last thing I did was stick the BlackBerry sticker that came with the Hackberry on the back here. I think it gives a nice little shiny flare there. But all in all, this thing is complete and ready to go. It's time for me to shove this in my pocket and get out there and do some mobile hacking. As always, stay tuned, and thanks for watching.